I'm hungry.
Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making China grass or agar pudding Taj Food style. So without further ado, let's begin. If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. So the ingredients that we need for this China grass pudding is 1 litre of milk, a handful of China grass, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 teaspoons of Kewra essence, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 cup of evaporated milk, and half a cup of water. So first of all, in a pan we'll add 1 litre of milk. Then we'll go ahead and add the evaporated milk as well. Then add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Then add the Kewra essence. Then stir properly. After about 2 to 3 minutes of whisking, add 5 tablespoons of sugar and dissolve the sugar within the milk. Now we need to wait until our milk boils. Now in a separate bowl we need to melt our China grass, so we'll add half a cup of water. To that we will add the handful of China grass. Now we need to mix properly and just cook until the China grass dissolves in the water. As you can see here, after 5 to 6 minutes our China grass has melted. It's nice and thick. Now what we'll do is we'll slowly add the China grass solution to our milk. Slowly, and we need to keep stirring the milk. Make sure you add it gradually, not all at once. Now we need to cook the China grass and the milk for another 3 to 4 minutes until we dish out. Now what we have to do is sieve our China grass pudding while it's hot. So now let's decorate with some crushed nuts. You can just pour some on top of it. Now wait until the pudding is cool and refrigerate for 5 hours. So here we are after 5 hours. Our pudding is ready and it's looking so yummy. So we'll cut it up and dish out. You can pour some rose syrup on the pudding for added flavour.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Our pudding is ready. Enjoy!
I'm hungry.